Hello everyone, my name is Murat, Istanbul Technical University last year. Now I will present you two associations. One of them is the Students Association in Istanbul Technical University, and the other one is a early startup company, which is the spin-off of this Students Association. But at the beginning, I would like to start with giving my special thanks to Professor Harris and also his team for inviting me. Now we can start with the Students Association. In 2007, me and one of my friends from mechanical engineering dreamed about building a boat which is using water instead of fuel. And that's with this, so our story has begun. And at the beginning, we were just two people, me and my friends. And in 4 years, we really grown up, and now in our society has 32 students from 14 different departments.
That's you with the two girls on the side, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm lucky one. Here, you can see the projects that we are working on. One of them is the first hydrogen-powered boat of Turkey, and the second one is the trash boat. Third one is the hydrogen production, storage and plant project, and the fourth one is unmanned sea vehicle. As I said before, the idea was building a boat powered with water. And then after a few months research, we saw that putting an electrolysis machine in the boat is not efficient because of the weight and the volume problem. So we split the projects into two projects. One of them has already succeeded, the first hydrogen-powered boat, and the other one is now in a design stage, hydrogen production and storage plant. I can start with the first hydrogen-powered boat. We already designed, made engineering, and also construct the boat. Now the boat is inside the university on the artificial lake. Actually, we are still working on making an experiments and also trainings, and also we host our guests in our boat. And here are the dimensions. Our lady is about 8.13 meters long, and she can carry 6 passengers, 1 captain and 1 crew. Its fully loaded speed is 7 knots. And here is the system diagram of the boat. We have hydrogen canisters which supplies hydrogen to the fuel cell, and the fuel cell generates 8.5 kilogram power, and the fuel cell directly drives the electrical engines. Because of being a catamaran boat, we have two propulsion systems. And we can split the boat into 3 systems. We can start with the hydrogen system. We located all the system at the back of the boat. Under the fuel cell, there are 2 canisters, and we separated the fuel cell and the canister. It's not seen here, but we separated it because the boat has a classification from Turkish law, and according to rules, we need to separate it. And also, we have a heat exchanger there. And this is our electrical system. We located the batteries at the forepeak of the boat. The batteries are for emergency, and also if we need more power in bad weathers, we also supply engine with battery as well. And this is a classical propulsion system, and also we use hydraulic rudder system. And this is the interior design of the boat. Now I want to show you a video which you will understand better.
Fosil yakıtları bir yandan çevre kirliliğiyle bilim insanları alternatif enerji sistemleri arayışında yüksek verim, düşük emisyon değerleri.
These are the people who gathered all the money.
Alternatif enerji sistemleri arasında ülkemizdeki
And we are building boats, you know.
göstermek ve bu konuda gerekli farkındalığı sağlamak amacıyla bu tür istiklal projelendirme, uygulama toplumu
And these are industrial designers.
Martı, Türkiye'nin ilk hidrojen yakıt hücresi teknolojisiyle çalışan yolcu teknesidir. İTÜ mühendis ve mühendis adaylarınca geliştirilen Martı, diğer öğrenci projelerinden pratik hayata geçirilmesini fark yaratan bir proje olmuştur. Geleceğin alternatif enerji sistemi olarak değerlendirilen hidrojen enerji sistemi, Martı hidrojen teknesi üzerinde yakıt hücresi ve hidrojen depolama tanklarını kullanan iki ana elemandan oluşmaktadır. Hidrojen depolama tanklar yüksek basınçlı
They seems like a battery, but it's a fuel cell. It's a kind of mistake of this animation.
hidrojenin taşıdığı enerjiyi elektrik enerjisine çeviren ana eleman hidrojen yakıt hücresi tekneye 8,5 kW'lık bir güç sağlar. Birbirinden bağımsız çalışan iki elektrik motoru tekneye manevra kabiliyeti sağlamaktadır. Teknenin çalışma sisteminde kullanılan birçok algılayıcı, sistem hakkındaki tüm bilgileri kaptanın önündeki merkezi kontrol ünitesinde toplanmaktadır. Martı, aynı zamanda algılayıcılardan gelen bilgiler doğrultusunda
You can control the boat with this touch screen and just a trawler with it.
Martı'nın
And this is the golden horn when the boat will launch in a few months.
hidrojen dolum tesisiyle sağlanmaktadır. Martı, yakıt hücrelerinden sağladığı elektrik enerjisine ek olarak üzerinde bulunan akülerle de yolculuğuna devam ettirir. Hem yakıt hücre sistemi hem de elektrik motorlarının sessiz çalışması, keyifli ve huzurlu bir yolculuk sağlamaktadır. Yolculuk boyunca LCD ekranlardan alternatif enerji sistemleri ve hidrojen enerji sistemi hakkında tanıtıcı reklamlar gösterilecek. Böylelikle toplumda deniz enerji sistemleri kullanılıyor bir bilinç oluşturmaya devam edecektir. Martı'nın seferleri her üç üzerinde bir tur şeklinde olacaktır. Yolcular tur sırasında Koç Müzesi, minyatür duraklarına inip gezebilecekleri gibi Haliç'in tarihi ve kültürel mekanları hakkında bilgi sahibi olacaklar. Martı, Türkiye'nin ilk hidrojen yakıt hücresi teknolojisiyle çalışan yolcu teknesidir.
Sorry. Yes, now I can keep going. Not only the design and engineering of the boat, but also the production processes under our responsibility. We work with about 30 different companies as a subcontractor for this project. There are some photos. We built this boat by our own team. This hull is constructed upside down. And this is coating and painting. Now it's ready to go to university. And this is the artificial lake inside the university.
Çok gurur verici bir ilki başlattık. Türkiye'nin ilk hidrojen teknesi Martı.
İTÜ'nün Maslak'taki göletinde suya indirildi ve denemeler başladı. Ben tekrar kendilerine
This is our rector. We have a great support from our rector.
mezunlar olarak, aslında tüm Türkiye olarak gurur duyuyoruz.
Şanslı bir rektörsünüz çünkü gerçekten çok güzel bir proje imza atıldı. Nasıl çalışıyor sistem?
Şu kapağın altında bizim hidrojen tüplerimiz var.
And this is fuel
Oradan
cell.
hidrojen yakıt pilimize geliyor. Yakıt pilimiz bunu elektriğe çeviriyor.
Ben projeye 3 yıl önce katıldım ve katıldığım ilk günden beri
Yeah, I can move to the second project of our team. This is the trash boat. We used all the materials from trash and also recycled materials. Our sailing mast is recycled aluminium. Our hull is a kind of composite like a wood, but you can produce it from the milk bottles. And also there is an outboard engine, you can see there, and we use biodiesel for this engine. It is almost same with the dimensions comparing to the hydrogen boat, 9 meters long, but it's a little bit fast. It's 14 knots. It will start as a cruise from Istanbul to the Antalya. The aim of this project is making an awareness of recycled materials and also regaining trash materials. And this is our third project. We will locate this station inside the university, and from the wind turbine and solar panels we will generate electricity, and with electrolyzation we will produce hydrogen and transfer it to the Golden Horn to refill our boat. And this is our fourth project. This is a kind of out of subject, but I should give some information. This boat can go on the water and also under the water, and it will use by the sea police in Bosphorus. These are our instructors. They give some advice for technical issues and also management issues. And the main question is about always becomes on financial issues, because this is a very big project, and I can easily say that this is one of the biggest, this project has one of the biggest budget not only in Turkey but also in Europe, and we gathered all this money from 50 different sponsor companies.
That must be a lot of work to get all those companies.
Yeah. I think this is all. I gave some important details about the projects. I don't want to waste my time with our structural organization, so I want to jump to the early startup company. And this is our early startup company. Now we're located in the Istanbul Technical University's incubation center. We are working on hydrogen powered boats and also diesel electrical hybrid sea taxis. We have some experience from this boat, and also we have a know-how. We want to expertise on catamaran boats, passenger boats, and hydrogen energy system. So we are trying to found our company. These are our first two products. One of them is hydrogen-powered solid waste collector boat, and the second one is hybrid sea taxi. This is our team. We came together from 2 different departments. 3 of us are naval architecture and marine engineering. Cansu is the management engineer. I don't need to explain why we need a hydrogen energy system, because you all know. But the important thing is there are some environmental, there are some restrictions about for the diesel boats in Turkey. So in some places you should use solar boats or also hydrogen powered boats. So this is like an opportunity for our project. This is the boat that we designed. This boat will get close to the yachts, which is unshored, and it will gather the solid waste from these yachts. And then this boat also can collect the waste near the seaside and take it to the... This is completely environmental friendly boat, without any noise and also vibration. And the hydrogen energy system is almost same, but we changed the propulsion system. We use thruster as a main propulsion unit. And the hybrid sea taxi, in Istanbul, there are 18 sea taxis, and they have a very big problem about high fuel consumption and also high maintenance cost. And the reason why this problem is engineering mistakes. So we designed this boat and offer the company earning money while protecting the environment, because we decrease the fuel cost 70%. It's very important. We have a one diesel engine, and with the alternator we generate electricity, and we also have a battery pack which we can refuel at night with cheap electricity. And this is the boat that we designed, 3D1. It is environmentally friendly. We reduced emission, and also is customer oriented. We solve all the problems of the sea taxis, some design problems and also some engineering problems. And we saw high quality standard, because we will produce these boats like an automotives. All the boats looks almost same, but in fact they are not, because for example you cannot take one of them's door and put the other one, but in our boats we can do this, because we will make a mass production. And thank you very much for your time and your kindness.
Thank you, Murat.
You're welcome.
Nice videos.
What's what?
It's nice videos, I say. Now to questions.
So you've gone for catamaran type hull design. What's the reason for this?
Because it has a high stability, and also catamaran has a reduced drag. That's why we choose catamaran.
Oh, that's good.
Who is supplying the fuel cell?
Hydrogenics.
Hydrogenics.
From Germany. Actually, if you can understand Turkish, this presentation will be much better. I can give you more information, but my English is not so good, and sorry for that.
Well, better than I Turkish. Okay. Is the intention to build all these boats that you showed as designs? I mean, is the intention to construct them all?
Yes.
Yeah. Through the company?
Yep.
Yeah. So that's quite an ambitious target then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did your Turkish certifying authority have the rules already, have a certification scheme, or have they written it with you for this boat?
Actually, we haven't get the certification. We are in process, and it's a hard process, because the Turkish Lloyd will give a certification to hydrogen-powered boat in the first time. So they're making very, very big problems. Maybe we can start to work with German Lloyds, because they already give 5 certification.
Yeah, German Lloyd.
Yeah.
How much will that boat cost at the end?
It costed 800 Turkish lira, 800,000 Turkish lira.
How much is that in euro?
It's 400,000 euro.
400,000 euro.
Yeah.
But do you have a prediction about what it would cost as a mass-produced project?
Actually, we won't have a mass production on hydrogen boat. We will have a mass production on sea taxis, because they are more commercial. We aim to produce 3 hydrogen boats in 2 years to the non-governmental organization in Turkey.
In your recycle boat, did you do were the motors themselves constructed from recycled material, the electric motors?
What was?
In your recycle boat, where you had it made from recycled material, the aluminium for the sails and so on, were the electric motors recycled?
No, of course not.
Well, they can be. Well, we can recycle the magnets anyway.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we can.
But we are going step by step.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We might like to let you have some recycled magnets.
Maybe we can work together on this day.
Because there's going to be a lot of magnets around which need to be recycled. Any other questions? Thank you very much.